Hey, it's Coachella. With Miami Music Week upon us, we visit the hottest locations for the upcoming parties this year. So round up all the bitches, let's go. Miami Music Week is not complete without a visit to the Surf Cover on March 27th for Algonquin Tom. Another great party to be at this Miami Music Week is the Armada Invites Miami, taking place right here at the iconic National Hotel. Another great party to attend is the Spinning Sessions, taking place right here at the Spinning Hotel March 27th. Last but not least, we're here at Virginia Key Park, and right behind me they're setting up Ultra Music Festival 2019.